Hello guys, how are you? So today we are going to see the agent development kit or how you can utilize Google's ADK kits to chat with the multi-agent frameworks. Like you can define one like orchestration type agents, and that orchestration agents will manage to the other agents, sub-agents. Like let's say if you are creating some examples like research type agents and based upon users input and given your URL by users, you have need to search to the specific web sources, you have need to gather the information, and based upon that information you have need to create the detailed research report. So how you can do with the Google's agent development kit, so we can see. So if you follow that Google tutorials documents and all those things, you can easily do all those things. So just to go here and click on start learning here. So already they have defined some weather agents or some things. So just follow all those tutorials, but they have also given the some research type agents where you know there are some agents workflow is there. So workflow means like how you agents can talks with the another agents like through the sequentially, parallelly, or even hierarchical type structure. So all those documents examples are given there, and you just need to follow those examples very well. Uh, just simple things is like you just need to create one research agents or main agents, and that agents will decide where that you just query should be passed. And after that, you have need to define another is like web data gather agents, and another one is like creating report agents, and third agents like that agents will check how the response given by another agents. And at the last, yeah, you have need to create some cloud run functions, or you have need to follow some folder directory structures. And Google has given some options like directly ADK run web or ADK deploy. So through the ADK web runs directly, you can install all those agents and you can view it into the terminals, and it's very simple one. So the example I was asking, like if you are seeing here agents, and where I went, those are the workflow agents, LLM agents, sequential agents, loop agents, and all those things. So it's very simple. So the things I was giving, it's like code type agents. Okay, this is loop agents, this is parallel agent, and this is custom agent, multi-agent system. So at the end, if you are working for any project or something, then you have just need to come here, multi-agent systems. So it's very simple. So and at the last file deploying, you need to follow all those tutorials. So here all those things, everything is given. How you can see all those things through the all those things. Let's say if you are access ADK web, so in the ADK web also you can get to know how you can see all those things on the UI and all those things. But I think I need to run this in my demo. So I hope friends, it's very interesting. Learn nowadays lot of requirements coming regarding to this. If you are just complete all those tutorials or go through that, and if you create any specific agents, definitely you will get to hands-on experience and all those details. Else you can utilize all those in your projects, and you will get surprised like how this simple, easy, and interesting, and actually you will also feel satisfied because it's give you the best experience, and whatever knowledge you have acquired here that can be implemented anywhere. So let's see the my Mac battery, it's 80% because if I am running that it's through the OBS Studio, then it will try to check so many things. So those are the session memories, how you can create, how you can deploy it. Let's see how nice image they have given. Control Shift 4. So guys, please go through all those documents, and in the next video I will create end-to-end tutorial related to this, and we will do all those things. Okay guys, I will stop my video here. Still I can go to the GitHub. I have already added there my some projects, experiments, but I have not add some agentic type.